važiuosiantis traukinys numeris 859 išvyks iš antrojo perono trečiojo kelio.
In 1847, it was planned to divide this area into 4 sections as a cemetery. It was originally divided into Catholic, Orthodox, Protestant and Muslim sections. In 1862, Orthodox Church was built on one corner, and in 1860 there was a wooden mosque built on the other side. Now this area is not a cemetery anymore, but there still is an Orthodox church and a mosque there. In 1930, to commemorate 500th death anniversary of Grand Duke Vytautas, who invited Tatar people to Lithuania, there was a brick mosque built instead of a wooden one, and you can still see it until this day. When walking in Ožeškienė street, which is packed with modernist architecture, you can see an old big synagogue. It's under renovation now, but it's really beautiful. And there's a really interesting place behind it. It's called Kiemo Galerija, or Yard Gallery in English. It's packed with art. Since it's located near the synagogue, there were a lot of Jewish families living here. So artist Vytenis Jakas painted walls with portraits of Jewish families that used to live here. With time there were more and more artworks appearing on the walls, until it became one big gallery. It's a really cool place and very photogenic. And the more you look, the more hidden artworks you will find here.